Good morning, students. Standard 9, Subject History, Chapter 4, Economic Development, Module 2. Students, in yesterday's module, we learned that India adopted a mixed economy post-independence to boost economic development. We also learned that a mixed economy consists of the public sector, the private sector, and the joint sector. Let us further understand this lesson. Planning was necessary as the British rule had exploited India economically. Post-independence, India faced severe problems like poverty, unemployment, population, low standards of living, low agricultural and industrial productivity, backwardness in education, science, and technology. Hence, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru established the Planning Commission, which formulated the 5-year plans that included rural and agricultural development, balanced industrialization, provision for a minimum standard of living, and economic development consistent with democratic ideals. It focused on people's participation and individual development in the formulation and implementation of the 5-year plans. The general fundamental goals of the economic planning of India are as follows: increase in the national income, to bring about rapid industrialization by focusing on the basic industries, to bring about an increase in agricultural production so that the country becomes self-sufficient in food grain production, to use the human resources in the country optimally by making increasing employment opportunities available, to remove the inequality in earnings and wealth, to maintain stable prices of commodities, to bring the growth in population under control by family planning, to improve the standards of living by eradicating poverty, to develop social services, and to make the economy self-sufficient. With these goals in mind, the 5-year plans were formulated. That's all for today, students. In the next module, we shall learn about the various policies and programs introduced and implemented in each 5-year plan. Refer to the Word document attached below. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.